Looks like I have a typo here in the problem. Not sure if that's what's showing up on the one you're looking at, but I really didn't mean for there to be two 5 requirements. We'll call this next one requirement 6. And what requirement 6 asks us is, now that the first accounting period is correctly accounted, we've got the income statement balance sheet correct, all the bonds have been accrued, blah, blah, blah. What happens on that January 1st of 2017 when the very next payment becomes due? Those bondholders are going to be knocking at our door saying, hey, I'm from Group 1. You said you'd pay me 5% of the face value. Where is it? And we're going to say, okay, settle down. We've got your money. We're looking, okay, so for Group 1 bonds, what's going to happen on January 1st of 2017 is we're going to make a payment, right? Okay, but we don't record interest expense at this point. You're double dipping if you put another amount in interest expense. We've already recorded that interest expense up here when we accrued for it in the income statements. We don't put it in again, or you're double dipping. That'd be bad, right? Your income statement then would have too much interest expense, and so profit would be then, of course, understated. So instead, we are going to pay off this interest payable amount, right? We told you we would pay you, and we've already recorded the interest expense, so we're going to relieve this interest payable by paying cash. That's it, right? So all we're doing is making good on our promise, and so we're going to make the second interest payment on the Group 1 bonds. Very simple. But a key point, I can't overemphasize that. No interest expense again. You've already dealt with it up here. Okay, and we'll see, and then in 2017, this will repeat itself. We do this on July 1st, and we do this on December 31st. So we get another 1 year's worth of interest in the income statement for 2017. If you recorded this as interest expense again, you would have these two subsequent entries in 2017. You'd have triple the amount, not triple the amount, but 50% more interest expense than you need. So for the Group 2 bonds, we'll do something similar, slightly different. Remember, this is the bond that has a premium. So on January 1st of 2017, we are not going to record interest expense again. We have interest payable. It's not 50 grand. This set of bonds had an agreement of 60,000. Now at this point, we don't deal with the premium. We have already recorded the reduction of the premium when we accrued for the interest expense. So this is simple, right? We're just going to pay the interest we promised to pay them on January 1st. And the same thing happens for the Group 3 bonds on January 1st of 2017. Again, no interest expense again. You have interest payable. Just making sure I didn't put interest expense on that last one. 40 grand, that's what we promised to pay you at the end of the year, and now we're paying you. So a good description would be make the January 1, 2017 payment for Group 3 bonds. Fairly simple. That's it.